Hey guys, it's Rolo here. Today we'll be unboxing the 5th generation iPad Air and Apple Pencil. With the release of the new M2 iPad Air in early May, the price of the 5th gen iPad has dropped down to $399. A steal for college students wanting to transition to digital note-taking. Alright, let's get started with unboxing the Apple Pencil. Here it is. And we'll unbox the iPad Air. Inside the box, we see we have the iPad covered in this protective sheet. If we take it out, the color I got was purple. It's a very light color, so it's not too noticeable, but here's everything else. It comes with the Apple stickers, of course, the instruction sheets, as well as a USB-C to USB-C charging cable and charging brick. All right, for the Apple Pencil, we have the Apple Pencil here. So this is the magnetic version that attaches to the top. All right, once you turn on the iPad, you'll be greeted with this hello in all different languages. And once we move past that, you'll have to set up the basic settings, transfer any iCloud or Apple ID over. Pretty seamless process. Okay, now that everything's set up, I have here the iPad, and I went ahead and installed this iPad folio case. Pretty cheap from Amazon, I think around $10 to $12, and it's been working really well. So this stand, pretty good quality. You can keep it in the upright position, just like this. So using it's no problem, no wobble or anything. All right, so taking a look here at the top corner where my pointer finger is, that's where the Touch ID is. So it is on the power button, and it ends up being pretty quick. So just making sure you tap it, hold it there for maybe a second or two, and your iPad will turn on and immediately go to the home screen. So if you take a look there, you can add multiple fingers. So I added both my left and right pointer finger just for ease of use. But yeah, so here's the Apple Pencil. It magnetically clips on up to the top, and it'll let you know what battery percentage it's at as well as be able to charge from the top. So you won't really, with this version, you won't have to worry about your Apple Pencil over losing battery. All right, so when using the Apple Pencil, it glides pretty smoothly over the screen, very responsive, I'd say. If you want, you can get a textured screen for pretty cheap on Amazon. There's removable ones as well as permanent ones, but that just helps with writing comfort if you're more used to that. But yeah, here is a little test on the Notes app. Just scribbling, very smooth, and there's multiple colors as well. And so you can use whatever Notes app you want. Personally, during college, I use GoodNotes. That's worked really well, keeping things organized, but I can cover that in a different video. Okay, so taking a final look, here is the 5th generation iPad Air along with the Apple Pencil. For some more specs, this is the 10.9-inch iPad Air, and it has 64 gigabytes of storage, as well as using Wi-Fi only. It is perfect for any college students note-taking. The storage will last plenty of time, and the speed is really good with it having the M1 chip. Now that the new M2 iPad Air was just released, the price of this iPad 5th generation has decreased to $399. So all in, if you buy the Apple Pencil along with the iPad Air, assuming you get the base model, it'll only be around $500, which is well worth it in my opinion if you're going into college and you can afford it. In the future, I'll make another video explaining how I use my iPad for college in terms of apps and how I organize it. So if you're interested, make sure to like and subscribe and check out any other videos on my channel. All right, I'll see you guys later.